Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Lexus RX 350. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked before you begin. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth functionality, usually found in the Settings menu. Then, on your Lexus Infotainment system, press the menu button to access the main options. Once you are in the main menu, navigate to Setup and then select Bluetooth from the options presented on your screen. After that, choose Add New Device or Register Phone to put your Lexus into pairing mode. Your vehicle's multimedia system will now be visible to your smartphone as an available Bluetooth device, ready for connection. Now, on your smartphone, look for your Lexus in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select it. Both your Lexus display and your phone will then show a unique 4-digit or 6-digit PIN. Carefully confirm that these codes match on both screens. Finally, confirm the pairing request on both your phone and your vehicle to establish the connection. Congratulations! You are now connected and can enjoy hands-free phone calls and seamless audio streaming through your Lexus RX 350. For optimal performance, keep your phone within approximately 3 feet of the vehicle. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting your smartphone or simply unpairing and then repairing the device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.